Florida rejects 82% of small business loan applications, the highest rejection rate in the country, leaving thousands of entrepreneurs struggling to launch their dreams. But today, we're breaking down exactly how you can be in that successful 18%. So you want to start or expand your business in the Sunshine State, but where do you begin with securing funding? Let's dive into the process of getting a business loan in Florida step by step. What documentation do you need before applying for a Florida business loan? First, you'll need a comprehensive business plan that clearly outlines your vision, market analysis, and financial projections. Lenders want to see that you've done your homework. Include detailed cash flow projections for at least 2 years, showing how you'll generate enough revenue to repay the loan. You'll also need personal and business tax returns for the past 3 years, bank statements, profit and loss statements, and a current balance sheet. Florida lenders typically require a business credit score of at least 160 on the SBSS scale, so check yours before applying. One document many Florida entrepreneurs overlook is their DUNS number, which is crucial for establishing business credit. Register for one through Dun & Bradstreet before approaching lenders. What types of business loans are available specifically in Florida? Florida offers several state-specific loan programs beyond traditional bank loans. The Florida Small Business Emergency Bridge Loan Program provides short-term funding during emergencies like hurricanes. The Black Business Loan Program offers loans specifically for Black-owned businesses in Florida. SBA loans are particularly accessible in Florida, with the state housing over 100 approved SBA lenders. The SBA 7.0 program is the most popular, offering up to $5 million, 0 cents, with lower down payments than conventional loans. How can you improve your chances of approval in Florida's competitive lending market? Florida lenders place heavy emphasis on credit scores, with most requiring a minimum personal score of 680. Take 6 months before applying to improve your score by paying down debt and correcting any errors on your credit report. Consider working with a Florida Small Business Development Center, SBDC. These centers provide free consulting services and can connect you with local lenders who understand Florida's unique business environment. Entrepreneurs who work with SBDCs are 30% more likely to get approved for loans. What collateral options work best with Florida lenders? Florida lenders favor real estate as collateral, particularly commercial property. However, equipment, inventory, and accounts receivable are also acceptable. Many entrepreneurs don't realize that Florida's homestead exemption doesn't protect business assets, so structure your collateral carefully. What alternative funding sources exist in Florida beyond traditional loans? Florida has a thriving angel investor network, particularly in Miami, Orlando, and Tampa. The Florida Venture Forum connects entrepreneurs with investors who provided over $500 million, 0 cents in funding last year alone. The Florida Opportunity Fund offers venture capital investments in technology and growth-oriented companies. Additionally, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter have a 62% success rate for Florida-based campaigns, compared to the national average of 37%. Because securing business funding often requires scaling up gradually, the next video reveals how to secure $1 million line of credit even if you're starting with minimal business history, including the exact credit utilization ratio that major lenders look for when approving 7-figure credit lines.